how to recover deleted Instagram message. So if you have permanently deleted the message of your Instagram and now you want to recover that, this video might help you. Make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Instagram, from where you'll be able to explore your various feeds over here. As the first step, just tap over your profile at the right bottom corner and just tap over the three bar horizontal line in the right upper corner. And here are the various options, but you have to go for your activity option. Under this, you have to scroll down to the button where you'll be able to see the two options about your information: transfer your information and download your information. You just have to tap over the download one, and here we're just gonna download all of the information related to your Instagram. And here you just have to go for request a download, and you have to select for complete copy. This will include all the complete information of your account, including your chats or messages. And here you have to see all of these things over here, and you can also select the format, media quality, and date range. That can be from last year or last month or anything that you want, and tap over the save option. And by doing that, you can submit a request at the button. It's also said that this file may contain private information. You should keep it secure and take precautions when storing it, sending it, or uploading it to another service. So you must know about your privacy, because it will include all of your chats and everything that's on your account. And after submitting a request, you will be able to receive a file of all of your information on your Gmail account, and from over there you'll be able to recover all the deleted Instagram messages. That's the thing. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have got some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.